Hello, my name is Kasturi Yellan. I'm from East London, South Africa. I have a BA degree majoring in psychology and criminology, and I've taught business English for over 10 years in the banking industry. I've tutored privately for the last 1.5 years to a 9-year-old little girl. And my hobbies are dancing and singing, yoga, cookery, spinning, and I love watching movies. If you need to learn how to be a great conversationalist and you want to learn conversational English, or if you're preparing for your exams and tests, then I'm the person you can seek out. I also have visited the UK, specifically England, and I've been to Reading, London, Leicester, and I know how to get onto the London Underground Rail, as well as booking tickets to go onto the double-decker bus, where you can have perfect views of the city while traveling at the same time. So if you want to know how to get to an English-speaking country, how to immerse yourself in their culture and to converse effortlessly with them, then you can ask me for help. I also do grammar and pronunciation, vocabulary, reading and writing, as well as phonetics and storytelling, so that it would make life so much easier for you when you converse on a day-to-day basis in your private domain. Most importantly, I also do business English. So if you are a businessman or businesswoman and you want to converse with a foreign person who's from an English-speaking country in a business meeting, or you're preparing for an interview, a job interview specifically, then yes, I'm the person you can come to. So I look forward to working and teaching you and interacting and having fun, and most importantly, putting you at ease when you are learning English as a new language. Bye.